Hello everyone, Amit Ohra from EcoVisionaire. Today I'll be giving you some tips on presenting the political science paper, and also I'll tell you how to use that extra time. Many students they lose marks due to poor presentation. So I'll tell you some points today कि आपको कैसे paper present करना है so that you don't lose marks at least due to presentation. So be very careful while presenting the paper. ये सब कहते हैं आपको the paper should be neat and clean, but there are certain other points also which we have to follow. So I'll start with the first. I'll start with extra time. Many students have a problem how to use that extra time. They start looking here and there. So I would suggest not to waste your time. As in point 3, I have written not to waste your time, extra time looking here and there. Have confidence in yourself. I'll suggest that as the main problem areas are MCQs. So I would say that read the MCQ twice because many MCQ have similar options. हमें लगता है कि आंसर ए है या बी है, सो वो 15 मिनट्स हम ये 12 MCQs and then we have MCQ this year in passage based and cartoon based questions also. So keep on reading those and see that कि आपके दिमाग में वो आंसर उस टाइम पे आ जाए. So 15 minutes go for your MCQs, और if you have passage based questions जो आपको पढ़ने हो, आप अगर टाइम बचता है तो you can read those questions and you can also read the statements of map work. So don't waste that time, don't look here and there. कमिंग टू आंसर शीट, बहुत इजी है आंसर शीट को प्रेजेंट करना. आई एम श्योर आपके टीचर्स ने भी बताया होगा आपको, बट जस्ट टू रिकैप आई एम टेलिंग यू, लीव 2 लाइंस आफ्टर एवरी आंसर. आपको दोनों आंसर साथ साथ नहीं करने हैं, ओवरलैप नहीं होना चाहिए कहीं पे भी, साइड्स में आपको नहीं लिखना है. You have plenty of, you have supplementary sheets, you have 32 normal sheets, so don't worry, you will get extra sheets. So leave 2 lines after finishing every answer. And if in the end there are only few lines left, say 4 lines are left, don't start the next answer from those 4 lines. Go to the next page and start the next answer. And be very careful regarding the pen to be used. बहुत सारे pens, gel pens, they leave their impression on the other side, और फिर वो दूसरे वाले side का जो answer होता है, it's illegible, it is very difficult to read, so you might lose marks. Again, now question numbers and sections. Students, many of you have habit of mixing up the sections. It's very annoying for the examiner to check, so you may lose marks. So questions, मैं तो कहूँगा कि questions to be answered 1 to 30. सबसे preferable होता है 1 to 30 and section wise A, B, C, D, E. और top पे आपको sections जरूर लिखने हैं. And secondly, reverse is also fine. If I want to do 6 markers first and then 4 markers and then 2 and then 1, fine. I don't want to lose 6 markers. So मैं पहले 6 markers मेरे brain में fresh हैं, mind में, मुझे जल्दी उनके आंसर लिखने हैं. I want to give a good impression on the examiner कि मुझे अच्छे point आते हैं और मैं 6 marker पहले करता हूँ. Again, section wise, section E 30 to 27 done first, then section D 20 to 24 and so on. आपको सेक्शन मिक्स नहीं करने हैं, मतलब सेक्शन सी का आंसर डी में नहीं होना चाहिए, सेक्शन ई का आंसर डी में नहीं होना चाहिए. And if there are 2 parts, say 16AB or 23AB, so you need to answer all the parts at one place. 16A किसी और सेक्शन में आंसर दिया हुआ है, 16B किसी और में. Very annoying for the examiner. If you are unsure, मुझे 3 क्वेश्चन नहीं आते पूरे पेपर में से, I don't know 3 questions, no problem, don't do them in the end, don't transfer that question in the end, keep the space empty there only in that section, leave 5 lines, leave 6 lines, 10 lines, and then when you come back after your exam and when we have time, extra time in the half an hour in the end, then you try to write something in that portion. तो जहां मुझे क्वेश्चन में अनश्योर हूं कि मुझे आंसर नहीं आता, वहां मैं कुछ लाइन छोड़ दूंगा और बाद में आके मैं दोबारा से वो लिखूंगा. कमिंग टू द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो, सबसे पहले कंप्लीट, व्हेन इट कम्स टू एमसीक्यू, आंसरिंग द एमसीक्यूज, प्लीज राइट द कंप्लीट ऑप्शन, अल्फाबेट एंड द ऑप्शन. से द आंसर इज जय प्रकाश नारायण. अगर आंसर जयप्रकाश, it should be JAI, Jayaprakash Narayan. So the answer is Jayaprakash Narayan and option is A. Write the full. क्योंकि आपकी हैंड राइटिंग में कई बार ऑप्शन A B लगता है, ऑप्शन A D लगता है. So if you only write option A, किसी टीचर को वो D लग रहा है, so write Jayaprakash Narayan also. Write the full answer also. Don't write the options for the teacher, examiner. Just write the right correct answer. And then second point, students have to be very careful. पैराग्राफ्स में आंसर पसंद नहीं आते. Teachers, examiners don't like answers in long paragraphs. So you need to make the headings out of it and write the answers in points, numbers A, B, C, D, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, alphabets A, B, C, D, whatever you prefer. But we don't need long paragraphs. Third, if there are true or false question, usually they are giving statement questions now. But if there are true or false question, it has to be accompanied by a reason, with a reason. Coming to cartoon and passage, good news for you students. Cartoon and passage questions this year will be MCQ based. So you don't need to leave any answer, any question. Don't leave. There's a probability that my answer is right. 25% chances that my answer is correct. There's a probability. Point number 5. Please follow the word limit. Many students have a habit of writing very long answers. आपने डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ यूएसएसआर के रीजन पूछे, आपने पूरा बहुत बड़ा पैराग्राफ एक ही रीजन में लिख दिया. सो दैट इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल बिकॉज यू विल लूज मार्क्स. बिल्कुल बोर्ड ने लिमिट सेट की हुई है आपको. 2 मार्कर्स फॉर 50 वर्ड्स, 4 markers for 100 words and 6 markers for 170. 170 can be 190. 170 cannot be 210. 100 can be 120. 50 can be 60. But 170 cannot be 225. 6th point. Only attempt one part. 6 markers you all know are choice questions. So 6 marker choice questions you only have to attempt one. Don't try to act smart कि आपने दोनों ऑप्शंस कर दी तो मुझे दोनों के मार्क्स मिलेंगे. नहीं, आपको एक ही के मार्क्स मिलेंगे. एंड पॉइंट नंबर 7, अंडरलाइन द कीवर्ड्स. जैसे एग्जांपल दिया मैंने आपको, सिक्योरिटी इन द कंटेम्प्रेरी वर्ल्ड में एक टॉपिक है कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग. सो कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच कंट्रीज शेयर आइडियाज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन विद देयर राइवल्स. सो क्या किया हमने कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग को अंडरलाइन किया और उसका मीनिंग शेयर आइडियाज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन को अंडरलाइन किया. सो एग्जामिनर विल रीड दीज टू थिंग्स बिकॉज यू हैव हाईलाइटेड और यू हैव अंडरलाइन एंड you will get good marks. I hope you have understood whatever I'm saying. You can watch this video again and again to understand this. And 2 things which I want to tell you, students. You are not competing with anyone. You are competing with yourself. If you are improving yourself, pre-board में मेरे आए थे 75 marks और मेरे यहाँ पे 85% आते हैं. I am fine with it. And nothing is more important than my life. So you don't get discouraged कि मुझे नहीं हुआ तो I'll be depressed or I'll commit suicide में exam में fail हो गया तो. No. Nothing is more important than your life. If you are alive, you can do many things. All the best for your exams. And if you want to, आपको theory part कहीं से आपने कोई test attempt करने हैं, आपको theory part last 2 days में आपको theory part में important questions download करने हैं, you can go to EcoVisioner app and download our free worksheet from the study material. And teachers, you can also contact me for the EcoVisioner Olympiad for the next year. The number is given on the screen. All the best to all the teachers and students for the boards. Thank you.